Hello doctors, a very good evening to all of you. Hope you guys doing absolutely fine. This is Vishnu Singh. Welcome to in Admission Media. Today we're gonna discuss about the NEET PG 23 counseling shift. That what can be your expected shift can be shown in the NEET PG 23 counseling. As well as in this video, I will be discussing if your NEET PG 23 rank is somewhere around 30,000 to 60,000, then what kind branches you can expect in the government colleges of India. That is 50% all India cutoff. As well as you can expect in some states, as well as we're gonna be discussing what you can get in DNB as well as in the DNB diploma in the category wise also, that if your category is general in between in this rank, then what branches you can get, while if you belong to some other category, then what are the possibilities for you. Before that I would like to let you know that अगर आप इस चैनल पर हैं और आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जरूर सब्सक्राइब करके रख सकते हैं। साथ ही हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल एडमिशन मीडिया भी ज्वाइन करके रखें, क्योंकि जो भी लेटेस्ट अपडेट होती है आपकी काउंसलिंग से रिलेटेड या जो भी लेटेस्ट अपडेट आएगी अभी के लिए वो PG 23 से रिलेटेड वो कॉन्टिन्यूसली हम वहाँ पे पोस्ट करते रहेंगे। तो अगर आपने ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, आप ज्वाइन करके रख सकते हो। साथ में इफ यू लुकिंग फॉर द पेड एंड प्रीमियम काउंसलिंग गाइडेंस, then you can visit our website admissionmedia.in. Complete detail is available there and you can proceed as per that. For the payment also you can proceed from there itself, and you can make the for basic registration you can pay it from there. For the premium counseling, or especially if you're looking for the management seat or the NRI seat, or how to make this document, for those details again you can ping me on the given number below. You can call me as well as you can drop a text on the WhatsApp. My team will be contacting you on that. As well as if you're looking for the counseling guidance, the registration is already ongoing from our website admissionmedia.in. You can register there, and within a 2 to 3 days my team will be contacting you and we can discuss further that how to proceed. Now first we're gonna discuss about the if your NEET PG 23 rank is somewhere around 30,000 to 60,000, then what all the branches possible for you in low budget as well as in government colleges, DNB as well as in NBA diploma. Before that I have already uploaded two separate video. In one we have discussed if your rank is from 2,000 to 15,000, then what are the possibilities for you. In the other I have already discussed if your rank is between 15,000 to 30,000, then what are the possibilities for you. So now begin. If your rank is somewhere, if we're gonna divide this 30 to 16 to different part. If your rank is from 30,000 to 40,000 and you belong to general category, then MD/MS in government colleges no seat will be possible. Even the anesthesia, ENT, opthal won't be there for you. You can expect pathology in top colleges of India, but if you're going for the clinical or lower clinical, no government seat will be there for you. Yes, there are seats going to be increased. There will be positive shift as per some counselors, but there won't be that much positive shift that on 30,000 rank you can get a anesthesia seat or MD anesthesia or MS opthal. That won't be happening in any session. Even in the last session there was exceptional, it happened because there was a stray round and then there was a special stray round. In that you can think, and in every session counseling pattern is changed. We can't predict and we can't take the last year cutoff or the last year rank as the this year session also. In every session the counseling pattern is changed. Some new rules to be introduced in this session also, which I'm continuously speaking in my videos. Very soon we will be updating what are the possible changes can be expected in this NEET PG 23 counseling. So do subscribe the channel for that video also. So if your rank is 30,000 to 40,000, then you, if you, especially if you're looking for the top clinical branches, then the low budget private can be the option for you. But at the same time, if you belong to general and if you're looking for the diploma seat, then up to 30 to 35,000, up to 35 to 36,000 NBA diploma, some clinical branches like gynae, pedia can be expected, but not much chances. Again, it will totally depend exactly how much seats are going to be increased. But if you're going for the DNB, then DNB anesthesia, DNB opthal can be also option for you. Some other higher clinical branches, that is mid clinical DNB branches, can be the option, but surgery or some branches can be option. But it will totally depend how you proceeding your counseling, how you doing your choice filling. It will totally, and mainly if you're doing your smart counseling, then yes, possibilities will be there. But if I talk about for the OBC candidates, the lower clinical branches like MD anesthesia, opthal, ENT, these branches will be for you in the MDMS also. But for DNB again, pedia is not much chances, but up to 30 to 33,000. Some possibilities is there. I'm not saying you can get, some possibilities will be there, but gynec won't be there for you. While if you belong to SC category, the clinical branches will be there for you, and for ST, the higher clinical branches will be again up to the 40 to 50,000 maximum. Apart from 50,000, you have to sit for the mid clinical or the lower clinical. But if I talk about the what can be your budget if you're going for the private colleges, because the higher clinical branches won't be available for you in the good government colleges of India. So if you're looking for, if your rank is 30 to 60,000 and you belong to general category or OBC category or EWS, and you're planning for a radio or derma or medicine or even gynec, then your minimum budget will start from somewhere around 25 lakh per annum to 60 lakh per annum. It will depend, vary by state to state and college to college. In this session, already two major changes are expected. First, possibilities are there, NMC bill can happen, cannot happen, that will be discussed in another video. But the fee structure of all the private medical colleges of India will be changing, and this is already assured. Multiple of the states are already taking the precaution and started their process, while other are waiting for their turn. But overall the fees will be changed. So if the fees will be changed, then it is expected then from 50,000 to 5 lakh per annum can be the hike can be seen in different states as well as the colleges and the things. So if the states or the states gonna change their fees, this can be also shown in the deemed universities of India. In some institutes, the fee structure is already updated. We have already shared the PDF. You can get it from our Telegram channel Admission Media as well as our Instagram page Admission Media. Do subscribe there, because all the bed, hospital and the colleges detail will be shared on that Instagram profile as well as Telegram. So do join that. So if you're looking for the higher clinical branches and belong to general category, then your minimum budget for the higher clinical budget will be around 25 lakh per annum to 60 lakh per annum. For these branches, you can target UP, Bihar, Haryana, Rajasthan, MP. MP is a closed state, but it will be open in mob-up round. So if you domicile of MP, then it's a great opportunity for you. You can target MP. Karnataka, you have to keep an option. Andhra, Telangana. Telangana has already published a notice that they are revising their fee structure. So overall, totally fee structure gonna decide your counseling. And I have already mentioned multiple of the counseling that in this session there will be a negative shift. This is what not I am saying. This is what our data saying. Last year around 400 to 536. I mean the candidates having a score of 400 to 536 was 30,000 only. In this session, the counseling is 40,000. So this 10,000 extra candidate gonna decide your complete counseling. These are the mainly those candidates who has took a drop last year because they were thinking to upgrade their score. Their score has been upgraded, but their rank has been back down. So, I mean their rank has been lowered down. So these candidates gonna decide, and the complete counseling pattern will be depending on you guys. If you all people gonna drop your seats, no one is willing to take a seat, then there will be a huge positive shift. While other trend, if all the candidates are going to take a seat and they will be joining their seat, then you can expect that what can happen in the counseling. So I'm not saying there will be a positive shift or there will be a negative shift. It will totally depend upon you, and up in your circle or in your colleague or in your group, you already know what people are exactly planning for. They all are planning just to join a seat at any cost, because no one is willing to take a drop again and go for the next, because in next session there will be a next 24 that has already been not announced, but in an interview our honorable health minister Saab has already declared it. So it will totally depend upon you guys. If you all people will be taking a drop, there will be a huge positive shift. But if all the people will be joining the shift, then there will be a negative shift. So if you're looking for the higher clinical at the rank of 30,000 to 60,000, your minimum budgets will be around 25 lakh to 60 lakh per annum depending upon the college, state, deemed universities. While if you're looking for the mid clinical, then it can goes around 15 lakh to 25,000 somewhere around. But if you're going for the lower clinical, then states like Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana can be option for anesthesia, ENT, opthal, as well as you have to focus on your state also, and your fees can be around 10 lakh per annum to 15 or 20 max to max, and your seat will be allotted. How to proceed for it, how to plan your admission, how to plan your counseling, it's a very simple process. There is nothing a rocket science which you can't crack it. You are already a MBBS doctor, you have well knowledge, and you have, I'm sure you have more knowledge than us. But if you're thinking that you are unable to do your counseling, and if you are unable to plan the things as per that, because in one session you can crack the exam, but you can't understand the counseling pattern. To To understand the counseling pattern is what gonna help you to get your seat, because getting a rank up to 30 to 60,000 is a big achievement. Don't make it waste by thinking that or making waste by seeing the last year cutoff. Last year cutoff can be a reference, but exactly it won't work, because I have already shown you multiple of the data, and I have already told you that it will depend. You can discuss with your colleagues that what is exactly happening, what are candidates thinking of. So plan your admission, plan your counseling guidance as per that. If you just watching my videos, that will be more than enough to help you out. But if you're looking for the paid or the basic counseling guidance, then you can visit our website admissionmedia.in. As well as if you're looking for the management or NRI seats, or the next video on will be on these topics, that how to proceed for the management seat or the NRI seats. But if you're looking to make a NRI document, what are the basic documents required for it, how to proceed for it, what are the things to keep in mind while applying in the deemed universities under the NRI quota. Because in last session we have seen multiple, for me, I'm already having a 10 to 15 allotment in which people have got their seat in the mop-up round, second round, but they didn't haven't joined the seat because college don't let them join, because there was some error in the document. Because as per the Supreme Court and Supreme Court, there is a legal formality, and there is a MCC has already given a power to the all the deemed universities as well as the colleges. They can check your NRI document and verify on the behalf of themselves. If they found any kind of mistake or any faulty in your document, they can reject your seat even after the allotment. So getting allotment is not everything. Joining your seat is everything. So proceeding for these things will be discussed under our paid counseling guidance. For those details, you can contact me on the given number below. For more details, do subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as Telegram channel. This is it. In this video, we'll be discuss more details on the upcoming videos of our PG23 counseling, how to proceed, what can be the rules. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.